Hello, first grade scientists. Welcome back to Science Lab. Who's ready for our second field trip? This field trip is going to be a lot further. And in this field trip, you are going to be traveling to 3 planets, to Mars, to Saturn, and to Jupiter. Now, this field trip is going to maybe make your parents upset because you're going to have to get up bright and early in the morning and see these planets in your pajamas, because you're going to have to get up between 6 and 6:30, and like yesterday, you're going to have to be traveling how fast? 25,000 miles an hour to get there. All right? Now, when you look up into the sky, you'll notice Jupiter is higher and it's really, really bright. And below Jupiter to the left is Saturn. And then right below Jupiter and right below Saturn is Mars. And if you have good eyes like I do, you can tell that it's a little bit red colored. Okay, so you ready for our trip? All right, let's get into our rocket ships and let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! And off we go, 25,000 miles, and our first stop is going to be Mars. Now, Mars is a close neighbor of ours. It is a long ways off, though. In a rocket ship going 25,000 miles an hour, it would take 200 days to get to Mars. So I hope you packed a lot of books and a lot of food, and I hope the toilet doesn't break. All right, so when you're all done exploring Mars, we're going to go to the biggest planet in the whole solar system, Jupiter. Jupiter is so big that 1,300 Earths could fit inside of Jupiter. Isn't that amazing? That's a big planet. There are stars that are not as big as Jupiter. All right? And if you're ready to go, let's blast off from Earth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Oh my goodness. I hope you have some good games to play on your way to Jupiter, because it will take you 4 years to get to Jupiter. By the time you get to Jupiter, boys and girls, you will be 10 or 11 years old. I hope you don't get bored easily. All right, so we're going to explore Jupiter for a while, and then we're going to come back home. And our next trip is going to be to the planet Saturn. Now, Saturn is a really, really big planet too. 800 Earths could fit inside of Saturn. So Jupiter is bigger because 1,300 Earths can fit inside of Jupiter, but 800 Earths could fit inside of Saturn. So it's really, really big as well. Now, I don't know how in the world we're going to make it to Saturn rather, because it's going to take us nearly 6 years to get there. By the time you get to Jupiter, you will be 13 years old, and by the time you get back home, you'll be almost 20. That's a long time to spend in a little bitty spaceship. I'm not sure I would like to do that, but let's go. Off to Saturn we go. Countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Off to Saturn we go. We visit and we come home. And you're going to be 20 years old. So maybe the field trip that you need to take is standing in your yard, looking up into the sky, southeast, to visit Jupiter and Saturn and Mars from good old planet Earth. I hope to see you tomorrow morning on our field trip. Bye for now.